Now, it's time to take you to the memory lane on the significance of this day. I would like invite the students of class 12C, Mandeep Chauhan and Adnan Sefi for their speech on Independence Day.
This is just a white line piece of paper which represents the future of India, and I have the pen. Yes, the youth of India has the pen, and it depends on the youth as to what the youth wants to write down on this white sheet of paper. Good morning to our honorable chief guest, Reverend Sister Jane FSLG, our sister manager, sister principal, sister primary in charge, other sisters, teachers, and all the exuberant brothers and sisters of incredible India. Happy Independence Day to all. This is Mandeep Kumar.
And this is Mohammad Adnan. We are the voice of every Indian today, and we are chosen to eminently speak on the Independence Day. Lend me a year as India turns 78, and India has a story to tell. The countdown starts every second tickles with hopes and aspirations, prayer of millions. Scientists cross the fingers as fire kindled in the heart and that launched into the vastness, and the moonlit path the Chandrayans entered, and today we are one proud nation.
But in the midst of all this happiness, let us not forget that this independence didn't come that easy. Many lives were sacrificed, many women were widowed, and many children were orphaned.
Let's just not forget the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. Let us not forget the Dandi March of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Let us not forget the victims of Jallianwala Bagh massacres. Let us not forget the bravery of Bhagat Singh, Rajguru Sukhdev, who without any fear blasted in the assembly and chanted the slogan Inqilab Zindabad, Inqilab Zindabad. Let us not forget the sacrifice of Chandrasekhar Azad, Asfaqullah Khan, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and the list of names goes on and on.
But today, our generation doesn't even know the names of our freedom fighters and what they did for us. The harsh reality of today is that the Independence Day only means that we have to put a nationalistic song on the stories of our Instagram, Facebook and Snapchat and update our WhatsApp status and profile with the national flag. And on the next day, we just throw the national flag in the dustbin or on the roadsides, like it is done for a day and we have completed a task.
Please, 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 we have a request from you all. आज के दिन तिरंगा खरीदना या मत खरीदना, लेकिन कल उसे कूड़ेदान में बिल्कुल मत फेंकना, और अगर कहीं पड़ा हुआ दिख भी जाए तो उसे देखकर इग्नोर मत करना, उसे उठाना और हिफाजत से रखना.
It's been 78 years since we got the independence. It's been 78 years the white man had left our nation, but still we are living in inferiority complex, using fairness creams to whiten our skin, to whiten our culture, to whiten our education, and to whiten our standards of life.
The differences done on the basis of caste, creed, religion, and gender needs to be changed. And yes, we believe that it will change, we will change. We will achieve success that is far beyond words. Because we are the people who understand the pain. We are the people who give food to the hungry. We are the people who give shelter to the homeless. We are the country who never attacked anyone first.
We are the ones who help the people without expecting anything in return. We are the people who love our country and tradition simultaneously. We are the people who have unity in diversity.
Yes, we are the eldest civilization ever exist on this earth. We are the people of India.
मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जिसके होठों पर गंगा और हाथों में तिरंगा है. मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जो कभी सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम तो कभी पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा है.
मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जो हर ठुकराए हुए की शरण स्थली बन जाता है और 7 समंदर पार देशवासियों को भी अपने ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स कहकर बुलाता है. यही प्रेम की पूज्य भूमि भारतवर्ष कहलाता है, भारतवर्ष कहलाता है. Thank you and once again, Happy Independence Day to all.